Hello everyone, this is Sundar Firdaus. Today we will understand class and object in Python in a very simple way. And if you are a beginner, this concept will become very clear to you. So here OOP. In OOP we represent real life thing in code. Here the class. So class here is a car design. It's a blueprint. Second is object. Object is the instance of class. So it's a small c, that is the object or instance of a class car. So here object is a real car. With the help of blueprint, we created the real car. That's the object. Okay. Now third one is init. Init is a special function. Whenever we create an object, it is automatically called. Its main purpose is to set initial values. So here we used to set the initial values like setting the details while creating car. Alright. Then we will use self. It is used to refer the current object. Like this is specific car. So it is used to refer the current object and used to access its data. Then fifth one, we are using here property. Property here we are using as color. Color might be red, blue, green, etc. And then we use method. Here drive is a method. Method used to define the behavior. So for car, its behavior is to drive. Here we are using init a special function. Inside it here is self and color. So self refer to the current object. Here we are using color, so value can be passed by the user. Here self dot color. It becomes the object of a variable. Every car will have its own color. Any function inside a car is called method. So this method defines what the car will do. Here the car will move. Now we are creating a real car object. That is C is equal to car and we pass the color here as red. This means we have created a car whose color is red. Now we are running the car by calling the method. Let's see. See, red car is moving. So here is the summary. Class is a blueprint. And second is object is real instance of class. Third one is property are its details like color. Method define its behavior like we use here drive. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.